Hi, what's up you guys? We are back here in Nueva, Ecija, inside my parents' newly constructed house. In this video, we're gonna give you guys a quick house tour. Let's go check it out. Let's go! Tara na! Pasok na tayo dito!
Hi! Welcome to my crib! Pasok kayo sa aming bahay! Display lang ito kasi hindi ko maabot sa sobrang taas ko.
So kung may sabaw, kunyari tinola, ilalagay niya sa loob.
Maliligo ka muna.
This is a 2-story home with 4 bedroom and 4 bathroom. The lot area is 257 square meters and the floor area is 245 square meters. So talagang na-maximize nila yung lot. This house has a lot of custom built features. I do have one favorite though, and I will show you guys that in a bit.
Hello! I'm here again. Pasensya na kayo, maraming lamok kasi, langaw. Kasi inopen pa namin ang mga doors namin kasi still, nagtatrabaho pa sila.
Technically, it's complete, right?
Yeah.
But just minor details. So as you guys can see behind us is the dining area.
Mga 1 month na may in-order namin ito kasi pinasadya namin ito. Dineliver dito. Tapos mabigat. Hindi mo mabubuhat. Oh, ay my God, ang bigat. Komportable ito. Masarap upuan. At saka madulas to. Para matagalan, may mapamana ko pa ito sa mga anak ko.
Here at the front door, as you can tell, para talagang matibay siya. Ang type ng door na to is Melina. Hindi Malina. Tama na. And then, ito namang console. Plus, the dining table here and the chairs, they are called yakal type of wood. So, matibay na matibay. Hindi pwedeng manakaw to. Kailangan ng mga 10 tao.
Solid wood. Oh yeah, that's heavy.
Hindi kami makikita kung gabi. Pero masisilip ko kung sino nandun sa labas. Oh. Ay, wak.
Oh my God. This TV is mainly to watch yung mga camera, CCTV cameras.
Around the house. Tapos doon din sa dito sa loob ng bahay.
From the dining area, you will see a guest room right here. Tapos dito lalagyan niyo pa siya ng blinds, right?
Yeah, blinds. Yeah, blinds with gray and white.
This is the wardrobe or cabinet. Bam! Bam! Before we proceed with the rest of the tour, again, this is just a rough tour kasi they literally completed this house just a few days ago. So marami pang lilinisin at ayusin, pero we're just super excited to show you guys.
Hindi pa napinturahan sa labas kasi palaging umuulan.
It is rainy season here in the Philippines and that's why parang medyo nauudlot-udlot yung painting. Same rin dun sa La Union yung project namin. Yung Typhoon Ecija nga that happened, 3 days walang worker. Kahit na hindi typhoon, pero ulan-ulan, then they have to postpone the painting. Here at the back is their nice kitchen. They're still cleaning, organizing. Kala ko magluluto tayo today.
Pagkatapos namin sa Canada, kasi alis na kami the next day kay Papa. Imimit namin mga specialist niya, mas lalo sa sipap niya.
It's nice to have this light coming in here, right? As opposed to parang sarada lang siya lahat. Naka-tuck away lang siya. Tapos when you're about to use it, kilaan.
Oh yeah.
Pagtapos nyo na gamitin, diba? Parang sleek. You know what I noticed here on the kitchen counter? Alam niyo yung mga kitchen counter, usually kitchen island lang siya. Pero this one, since it's customized, meron siyang mga storage din. Ito may mga ganyan na pin-install. I like this because it's pull out. You don't have to dig in there to get what you want. Got your kitchen separated from the dining area, and there's gonna be like a little sofa set here, and that's the main entrance.
display lang ito kasi hindi ko maabot sa sobrang taas ko.
So, kung may sabaw, kunyari tinola, ilalagay niyo sa loob.
Maliligo ka muna bago ka mailagay. Paglagay mo doon, wala na. Bali, meron naman kami doon sa likod.
Akala ko sasabihin niyo, di bali, meron naman kaming bathroom. Dito kami maliligo. So, meron kayong microwave sa dirty kitchen?
Yeah, mayroon din kami. Ito ang one namin. Yan. Wrap. Dalawa din doon din sa dirty kitchen, meron din wrap.
Yeah. So, fridge and... Wow, mama, nagpa-vlog tayo.
Yung freezer dito nasa ilalim. Bago din ito. Tignan mo, nasa ilalim ang freezer nila.
Yun nga lang, kailangan nyo mag-squat pag may kukunin kayo.
Ang frozen food na minsanan ka lang kukuha dito. Kaya okay lang.
Hindi kayo mahilig sa frozen food?
Hindi ako mahilig.
Ayan, nagpupunas na naman kayo. What is your favorite part about this kitchen?
This is the garbage. You can see the garbage here. You have to pull this one. Ito walang ganito, oh. Hindi pa na kung yan, hihugasan pa yan.
Pareho lang silang
Parehas lang. Mga workers din dito.
na gumawa ng bahay.
Gumawa ng bahay.
So they customized
They
and
customized
custom built
it.
this.
Oh.
We got ample storage here, right? So you can see from down below and then all the way up there.
Tiles ito. Tiles yan.
Oo nga, pati ito, buksan natin to.
Wala. No.
Ay!
Yeah. Ang color scheme namin sa bahay.
So yung color scheme natin is obviously gray, white, and...
maroon, and what the color of the light maroon.
Gray, white, maroon, and light maroon.
Yeah.
Tapos ito, paint to, right? To mimic the wood
paint
feel.
na parang kwan siya, parang ano, wood tignan, pero pinaint lang yun.
It's not done yet. Sa first floor, pakita pa natin yung isa pang bahay dito. May nakakabit na bahay dito eh. We're gonna go head over to the dirty kitchen. This is washer, dryer, what they have. Ayan, there's a lot of storage here. We got a fridge here as well. Complete with a gas range. And this is the other microwave. At least to reach natin. Ayan, and then lots of storage space. My favorite feature in this home is this. Meron din siya ditong bathroom with a shower. Hindi ka napapakita kasi may tao dyan.
Itong design ito actually ay sa foreman. Hindi ko sila binigyan ng kanito ng instruction. Doble-doble kung tawagin nila, tambol. So at the beginning, hindi ko alam ang ginagawa niya rito. Bakit may isang tambol, may bilog. Tapos dito, masyadong elaborate itong ceiling na ginawa niya.
I feel like I've been talking about this main floor for hours now kasi ang dami talagang features na mapapatingin ka at mapapabukas ka. So we'll split this video into two parts. On the next one, we'll show you the second floor naman. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!